In this video, I'm going to show you how to update Botim app to latest version. Now to do this, of course, it's going to differ a bit if you are on Android or iPhone. I'm going to show you how to do this on Android, but it's going to be similar on, of course, the iPhone as well. So if you're on Android, what you want to do is you want to open up Google Play Store. But if you are on the, of course, Apple phone, so iPhone, you want to open up Apple App Store. So I'm just going to go to a Play Store over here, and then all you have to do is basically search for Botim. So I'm gonna go to search at the bottom, and then at the top I'm gonna tap in the search apps, and I'm going to look for Botim. There we go. I'm going to now tap on it, and then from here, as you can see, it says that it is installed. So of course I can only open it or uninstall it, but if there is a version which is updated available, you'll be able to tap on the update button, which is also going to appear over here. Okay, so whenever you see it, you can just tap on update and it's going to update to the newest version. Okay, if there's no update button, it means you're currently on the latest version and you don't even have to update, which is quite convenient. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.